Hi! In today's video I wanted to share with you a quick 1-minute mug cake recipe. This recipe is of course vegan and also oil-free. This recipe is super easy and tastes great, so without further ado, let's get into it. For this recipe you will need 3 tablespoons of flour of your choice. I used spelt flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar of your choice. I used coconut sugar, 1 tablespoon of applesauce, 2 tablespoons of plant-based milk of your choice. I used homemade almond milk, which I have a recipe for, so I will be leaving it up here as well as in the description below, and 2 tablespoons of water. Then you will need a mug of your choice and make sure that it is not too small and that it is microwave safe. Then add to the mug all the dry ingredients first and mix them well together. And once it's well combined, add in the liquid ingredients, so the applesauce, plant-based milk, and water, and mix again until well combined. Then pop the mug into the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. The way I did it was put it in for a minute and then I kept adding 15 seconds until getting the perfect fluffiness of the cake. And then it is time to dig in and enjoy this dessert. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like it. If this was your first time here, make sure that you're subscribed to join the Living Life Simply community. And I will see you all very soon with a new video. Bye!